Hey guys, it's me, Naturally TC, coming at you with this Flexi Rod finger coil video. My client came in and she had a little extra hair on the back here. You know how that part grows a little bit longer and you have that like a shelf in the back because her sides are so low. So she has to keep that part a little bit shorter so it don't look too crazy. The only thing is, you see, we cut out those blonde pieces, but hey, you get a client what they want, right? So I go in, I cut that part off, even it up for her so she'll have a nice round back. I'm going through and I am detangling her hair. Of course, it looks a little rough, but we have already shampooed and conditioned her hair. Also, I use a leave-in conditioner. I do use Kenra's products. And on the foam that I'll be using today will be our Main Life Mint Foam, and you can find that at mainlifestudio.com, and you can order it right off the website. So I'm going in, I'm just kind of evening up, marrying her hair all together. Not really trying to take a lot off the top, but just wanted it to even it up so it doesn't look crazy. And yeah, I really enjoyed this style. It looks so super cute on her. We actually talked about what she was doing is finger coiling her whole head. And if you guys know anything about finger coils, you know, it just depends on how tight your coil is or how small your coils are. When you're done with them, sometimes they look like, she called them little worms. She's like, she likes them when they're wet, but when they dry, she really doesn't like them. So I said, well, we're going to have to coil it in the backseat, Main Life Mint Foam. Actually, I think that was coconut foam, not sure. We have a mint and coconut. But in the back, in the back, I'm going to finger coil it or comb twist it because it's a little too short to put on the flexi rods. And then at the top, I'm going to flexi rod. But yeah, so you have to do what's best for the hair, what looks really good, what you're comfortable with. And this is what I explained to her. It's like, you know, you're the one that has to wear it. You know, I can do all kind of things to your hair, but I really am, especially in this season of my life, I am about what makes you happy. Like, if you're wearing your hair in a way that does not really bring you joy, then you need to do something different. I actually even have some natural clients that they are just not happy with their natural hair, and it doesn't make them feel pretty. So, okay, there's plenty of other options that you can choose. Natural hair isn't for everybody. It doesn't, you know, bring out the best in everybody. So you have to do what's best for your hair and for you. Yeah, because we want you shining from the inside out, not just on the outside. But I guess if you didn't like it, then you wouldn't be shining. But okay, never mind. So yeah, finger coiling, comb twisting this back, and then you'll see me flexi rod the front, take down her sides. She's gonna go under the dryer. Did I blow dry her? I'm trying to think, did I blow dry her? No, I didn't. I didn't blow dry her. But what I've been doing for my flexi rod clients is I will blow dry them because it cuts down on the dryer time tremendously. So what I do is I'll shampoo them, condition them, and then set them under a dryer for like 10 minutes just to get, you know, a good amount of the water out. I will blow dry it out and then flexi rod it with the foam. And they're under the dryer like 45 minutes to an hour flat. And they love it. You know, some people don't mind it. I always ask, you know, you have to ask your clients what they want and, you know, what makes them more comfortable, because some people not with all that blow drying on their natural hair. Some of my clients, they don't care if you blow dry their hair every time. They're getting the treatments that they need to continue to keep their hair healthy. So it really doesn't compromise some textures of hair. Some textures of hair you could blow dry all the time and you never see a difference in the curl, just because they have that kind of elasticity in their hair where their curls don't get burnout or heat damage. Oh, I am so sorry, y'all. I'm telling you, I've been up all night. Like, I did not go to bed yet because I'm so excited about the new changes that are coming about. Okay, so you see here, I'm actually showing her what it would look like if I coiled them. And even if you make the coils a little bigger, how they would look. So just so that she can understand, I really like to talk to my clients about, you know, what they can do at home. And so she's showing me, like, how she does it. But she's telling me that she still doesn't like how it comes out. But I liked it. Like, even when she came in, her coils were like, she doesn't like it when it's old. Like when it gets old and puffy. But how many of y'all know natural people that really do not like their natural hair? It is so funny to me. Like, so many natural clients want that perfect groomed look. But sometimes it's not really realistic unless you're actually going to twist, curl, whatever your hair like every 2 days. And if you're not with that program, then you're going to have that big poofy hair. But I really legit think it looks great. You know, I love big hair. And it still has, you know, that shape and texture. But like I said, to each his own, and you want to feel good about the way you look. And if that don't make you feel good, then don't wear it. Point blank, period. Okay. So, yeah, I'm going to let you guys finish this video. Please like and subscribe. Share it with a friend. Hey, try it on a friend. Try it on a friend. Try it on your cousin, your auntie, your niece, whatever, your nephew, if that's what he like. And try it out and let me know how it went, all right? I love you guys. I really super duper appreciate you. I'm coming at you with more videos. So y'all see what I'm doing at the shop. All right? Y'all have a good one. Talk to you